tassel. It does look like a tassel. Come on, let's see what the dragon looks like. There he is, bud.
What?
You want to see this giant lizard, bud?
What?
A Komodo dragon. Oh, there's, look at Tristan. Look at the lizard. Look at the big lizard.
Oh, look at, he saw the duck, bud. He saw the duck. Good.
Tristan, come here, look. Look at the big lizard. See him? He's as big as a tree. He's a Komodo dragon. It's a dragon, Bubba. Look.
Alright, come on, Bubba.
Babe, look how nice this is. Babe. These orchids. Look at that pretty blue bird right there. Look at that bird right there, babe.
I know, look behind you. It's blocking behind you.
Oh, there's another one too.
With long hair. That's like your daddy when I first met him. He had long hair like that. Long, beautiful hair. Good? Good? Good. Look at him. See that flower right there, Cupid?
Yeah, these are really neat. Very pretty, huh?
Those really good.
Cinnamon, Tristan. Oh, let's go see this bird right here. Look at that thing. Tristan, hold on. Look at this bird.
Yeah, I see him. Can I touch?
I don't think you can touch him. But look, he's gonna cross right here. Oh. There you go. I have no idea what that thing is. Walking around.
Can we follow them?
Look at all the fish, bubs. Look how nice these orchids are, babe. I want to say I think they're orchids. And look, there's a monkey coming.
Oh, it's a sloth.
Huh?
It's a sloth.
Oh, a sloth, Kristen, look. Look at a sloth. There's a sloth, Bubba. Look up. Look up. Right here. There's a sloth. He's right there. Let me zoom in on him.
He's an angry bird.
No, it's a sloth. Bubba, look.
That's a sloth right there.
Is he a birdie?
Tristan, look at that sloth right there. That sloth that's walking upside down. Bub.
Bubba, come here.
There you go.
Come here. I want you to see
Pretty
something.
cool.
I want you to look up. Right? Look right up there. Up there.
I see it.
You see him?
What is the angry bird?
You can stand right here. Look. Let me got him. Look at him. Look at him. Huh?
No.
See, he kind of looks like a monkey. No, he's not. He's nice, Bubba. Moves a lot faster than I thought.
I get a leaf for the froggy to jump in.
This place is so neat. Prayer plants. Spiral flag. That is Java laurel and palmetto.
Daddy.
Huh?
Wash your hands later, Bubba.
Yeah, we'll wash your hands after, bub. You're good. Let's go see what they got over here.
Okay,
Oh no, an ocelot. Ocelot.
Yeah.
No, just like a cat.
Where's the ocelot?
Smells like a cat, right?
I don't see him, Buff. He must not be in there right now.
Oh, he's under the tunnel.
He might be.
He's under there.
He might be. Or he might be out of there right now.
He's sleeping under that.
Mayan bread nut. It's a really interesting plant. Mayan bread nut. Adonidia morellii.
Feathers are.
If you're like into what is it, horticulture or botany, this is a good place for you, huh? What? Giant zebra plant, Sanchasia. Old man palm.
Wash my hands. Please go all the way
Look at this
down.
neat stuff, babe. Powered sea grape. Look at that thing.
Don't scare me.
Uh-oh. It's walking by. Uh-oh. Look at them. They just walked right by. That is so neat. You scared you, babe, or what?
Keep falling in our way.
What the heck, right, bud?
Why do you keep falling in our way?
It's scaring me.
Why is this scary?
I don't know.
Citrus leaf fig.
No,
Look at their root system. Or rut. I don't know. Root or rut.
Look right here. Okay, you see
Look at, we got
the pear?
a parrot right there. Water chestnuts. Oh, look it. You could actually eat these. Water chestnut.
Look at Bub, there's a giant something in the water right there. Like a dragon. You see him?
Like red mingoes.
Yeah, the red mingoes.
Once we found the treasure,
They're gonna find their treasure.
they found
Look
it.
at him, Bubba. You see him? Whatever that thing is. It's like a giant eel or something.
It's a mingo. Red mingo.
Be on that show. What is it? River Monsters?
Red mingo. It's a red mingo.
Yeah. You like the
It's
mingo?
a red mingo, huh?
Yeah, those are red.
Oh, uh-oh. Look at that. Something edible over here. Nutmeg. Nutmeg. Look at the beautiful leaves on this. Look at that. That is so neat. Look at this, babe. Something in there. I don't know what that is. And there's a second story to this. We came in from the second, and it winds you down going through it. There's some goldfish. Oh, coconut. So this is a coconut tree. Coconut palm. Oh, look at that. There's actual coconuts up there. Look, babe, there's coconuts in this coconut tree. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Little coconut tree. So this whole thing is a big pyramid here at the Moody Gardens Rainforest exhibit in Galveston, Texas. Look at those turtles over there, babe.
There's a bird right here for me.
Oh, look at that birdie. Hey, birdie.
You're saying hi to him.
He's a baby birdie.
So what he's doing, Buzz? He's preening. He's taking off his old leaves. Not his leaves. His old feathers. I don't know what they do with that. I just know it's called preening. Let's take a look over here.
Hey, hey, hey. Get back on.
Rainforest resources. Carnauba palm, vegetable ivory, bamboo, palm tree, rubber tree. Tristan, this is the tree they get tires from. Your car tires, they get it from this tree right here. It's called a rubber tree. Yeah, they make it from that tree.
Hey, Bubba, he woke up?
The parrot woke up. Hey, bud. Look at that. Beautiful parrot.
Hi, cucumber.
Parrot.
Parrot cucumber. But she can't breathe.
So that's something.
There's ants on it.
So there's Goliath bird eater spiders in here.
We just walked to the castle.
I don't really see them though. Oh, there's another little pretty bird right there. Babe, look at this little pretty bird over here. This is a really neat exhibit, really neat place. Look at this pretty little bird, babe.
It's the sunniest thing, the tunnel.
Look at him. He's hanging out. He's got a little blue and orange head. Hi, babe. It's almost like a dove. That's really cool, huh, babe?
Over here in the tunnel.
Look above right here. Look at that thing. The beak up there. Look at that big old beak on him. Hi. Look at those turtles right there. 3 big old turtles, or tortoises. I don't know if it could be tortoises or turtles. Since they're in the rainforest. Can anyone answer that? Turtles or turtles? Or tortoises or whatever. Giant corpse flower. Oh, okay. Babe, this is the corpse flower, the one that opens up and attracts all the flies. But where's that at? What do we have here? We got some beautiful parrots. Man, would I love to have some parrots like that. And we got some sea animals. I don't know if those are stingrays down there. The sea. Look at that. This really makes you feel like you're in the rainforest, huh? It says, meet the Maya.
Yeah.
What?
A bird who built a nest. That's what that is. And look at there's the anaconda.
Oh, we have an anaconda living underwater? What?
That's what they usually do.
The green anaconda.
Look at, they go all the way up.
Whoa, look at this guy. This guy is massive. So the green anaconda comes all the way down here. Tristan, look at this big snake. Look at the snake. He goes all the way over here and he goes all the way up here. He's a massive snake. Hey, stay off of that. A bird is building a nest right here. There's eggs in there. We got some fish. Look at that. You having fun, bud?
Let's go up there.
No, that place is, we already came from up there, bud. Now we're in a cave. Ooh, this is neat. Oh, that's where the water's coming from. Look at that. Hey, go stand right here. So I can get you on film. That's absolutely beautiful. My Amazon woman over here. The water feels nice. Can't really see you, but being the tallest in my family at 6'5", 6'4". I'm gonna sit in this cave. Oh, look at what do we have here?
This way.
We have vampire bats, Tristan. They drink blood. Those bats drink blood, Bubba. All that's look at all that is blood. They eat blood, Bubba. They're vampires.
Look at how they lay together.
Yeah.
Could I name that one Steve? I'm gonna name that one Steve.
Look at those vampire bats. It's so weird how, like, these vampire bats, these little tiny things got this big old, like, started this big old culture of vampires and, you know, just from these little tiny bats. Come on, I could slot one of those away with the tennis racket. What do we have in here?
A boa in the back.
We got a boa constrictor.
It's like going under.
You can see it is humid in here. I'm sweating. Or I'm just fat and I'm walking. One or the other. Dude, there's so many different species. Cat whisker vine. Something, something, something. Pandamus dubious. Very dubious. Be careful, we have Rao crossing here. Roll. Oh, look at that beautiful bird. You see that beautiful bird, babe? Look at that beautiful. I don't know what it is, but.
Madagascar cockroach.
Daddy, that's a cockroach.
Where? We have cockroaches. Madagascar hissing cockroach.
Say hi to Daddy.
Let's go see.
The red mingo.
Where's the red mingo?
Right there.
Look at that beautiful thing. Hi.
Take a picture of him.
I am. No. I'm recording him. You having fun, Buzz?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
A mingo.
The mingo?
Yeah. A red one.
The red mingo? These are all
Red one.
lake invaders, huh? Invasive species of lakes. We have tilapia,
You know what's weird, babe?
nabiri.
It has the same eyes as a cat.
What does? What is that thing? A perch?
Yeah,
I think that's big.
The Nile perch. Are you invading lakes? Did you do it? Are you in denial, perch? Alright. Medicinal plants in the rainforest. Cat whisker vine. Some species are used to treat high blood pressure. Oh, look at all these beautiful guys. Hey, look at these guys, babe. Just hanging out. Hi. Hi, beautiful. Oh, tamarind, babe.
My shoe. And now in my.
Tamarind is great for those who like tamarindo, Mexican candy. Look at this guy right here. Hi. 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 Oh, you don't gotta be scared. You don't gotta be scared. You're okay. Uh-oh. Oh, they're fighting.
Yeah, I need to know. Gonna get bit.
Babe, you hear them, babe? When they squeak, they sound like kittens. What do we got here?
Whatever that thing, that reminds me of like Jurassic Park. Like that thing that comes out with that teeth.
Oh, the.
Yeah.
That thing's absolutely beautiful too. Hi.
He did a good
Look at
Baby, there
that.
he is. There's the cutie.
What is like a little deer?
Looks like a baby kangaroo. Like a deer or something.
Hi.
Babe, look. Babe.
That's him. Oh yeah.
Look at baby, looks like a deer. It's a little deer or something, babe.
I know. It's a blue dookie. Blue duker. Look at that thing though.
See that thing over here? First?
Hi. That thing's good. Look at Tristan. He's kind of interested in you as well. You know that? Hi. What species is that? I would throw an uneducated guess and say a toucan. Preferably of the Sam variety. Tristan, he's the one that makes Fruit Loops, Bubs. Your bowl of Fruit Loops, he's the one that makes it. Oh, he's doing a little dance. All right, you want to do a little dance? You want to dance? You want to puff up? All right. Yeah, you hear them? They sound like kittens. Watch, get closer one, and they sound like kittens.
I'm coming. Let's go, bud.
All right, we're gonna head out that way. Look it. What's this in?
Alright, give me a second. We'll go find your cutie. I thought of it, you're grabbing yourself.
All right. I guess that's a good spot to turn off the video.